Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. Glad you're with me today. Another fabulous recipe coming your way. Tuscan garlic chicken. Have you ever cooked that? If you haven't, you'll be in for a treat. Simple, easy dish, tastes so good, amazing. And we have a friend here today too that's going to have dinner with us. So this is going to be a great recipe for all of us and for you too. So let me tell you what's in it. The main ingredient in this dish is chicken. So I butterflied them, trimmed them up a little bit, dressed them up. So we have a couple of chicken breasts, which is going to give me 4 or 5 little pieces. We have red bell pepper, which is julienne, and I'm going to go ahead and finish that up. We have spinach, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, little onion, some garlic, and cream, olive oil, salt and pepper, a little wine. Let me tell you, this is a great recipe. It's really not that many things, but if you have it all prepared before you start, it goes together quickly and easily. So let's get started. Now the butter is in the skillet. Got that melting. I'm going to add in a little olive oil. Couple of tablespoons of that. And now I've already pre-seasoned the majority of the chicken breast, but I'm just going to show you, I like a little Italian seasoning on the chicken breast, along with a little salt and some black pepper. And let me flip it over with this. I want to get my hands sticky. And again, a little Italian seasoning, just a little bit of kosher salt, some black pepper, and we're getting ready to brown it. And here's a little fun little thing that I kind of invented myself. This little shaker is usually used for like powdered sugar on beignets, but guess what? You can shake out some all-purpose flour. I just think it's pretty cool. There you go. Shake it on. Flip it over. Put it right in there. Anyway, we're going to brown the chicken. And when it's all done, we'll come back to you and get on with the rest of the recipe. As you can see, our chicken is browned off nicely. So we'll start the remainder of the recipe, which is really simple. We're going to have we'll start off with our butter. Melt our butter. A little olive oil. And we're going to go in with all of our chopped garlic, some minced onion, and we're going to let the butter melt. Let me put a little bit more olive oil in here. Now we'll saute the onions and the garlic for maybe a minute or two to let them soften up nicely. Add in a little pepper, a pinch of kosher salt. Another minute. I want that to really get soft. Be right back. So we're going to go in with some flour. And we're going to let the flour coat the onions and the garlic real good. So we have that flour incorporated in really good. Now I'm going in with my bell pepper. Mix that in. Now we're going to add the wine. Ooh. Yeah. See, now you can see the sauce is forming. Very good. So we're going to add in a little bit more wine. All right. And now that that is cooking down, we'll add in some spinach. Ooh, who doesn't love spinach? So let's put in a couple of nice handfuls of spinach. Alrighty. The next step is put in a little cream. And we'll let the spinach cook down. Look how pretty that looks. It's a beautiful sauce. All right, the spinach is cooking down nicely. And honestly, I love spinach, so I'm going to throw in a little bit more. Now we'll get our Parmesan. This is freshly grated Parmesan, not out of a bag. You ever notice you buy bag cheese, it just doesn't melt? And you see how all that melted in nicely? Beautiful. So we'll turn the fire off. We'll return the chicken to the pot with any little juices that may have accumulated there. And you're ready to eat. The only thing left to do now is to plate it up with some beautiful pasta. So let's plate it up and grab a bite to eat. I'll see you in a minute. The Tuscan garlic chicken is finished. It smells wonderful. I cannot wait to dig in. So let's show you how good this tastes. Let's see, chicken's perfectly cooked. Very tender, tasty. Oh, you guys coming over to eat one? Come on, got plenty. I cooked this for a women's club, 50 people. I cooked this for a private party one time, 15, 20 people. This is a great dish to make for a large crowd, or if you just want a quick dinner, you can make it for 2 people. I hope you guys enjoyed the Tuscan garlic chicken. Thank you for coming to the Sanders Kitchen and spending some time with us. We really appreciate you guys tuning in. It means a lot to us. It really does. Let us know if you make this recipe, because we'd like some feedback and like to know how you like what we've done, or maybe you'll add something to it. Thank you for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell. That'll let you know when we come out with new videos. Y'all have a great evening, and God bless you. Watch how easy this is. Aha! It worked.